Here we've got MEIZU M8 Lite, and let me show you how to activate installation of apps from unknown sources on the following device. So at first, let's open the settings, then find and select fingerprint, password and security, and now you just have to scroll down until you see install unknown apps. Just click here, and here you can give permission to some particular application. So if you would like to install something through Google Chrome or Google Drive, just click on it and then allow installation of app from this source by tapping on this switcher. Then you can pick whichever app you would like to give this permission to and tap on this switcher. As you can see, if it's not allowed, just click here to make it a blue one. And that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.